Good morning, everyone. I am KK Lavania, also known as Krishna Sharma, and welcome to my channel KK Lavania. Today, we are going to learn something very easy and very interesting. We will learn about tense. Don't worry, tense is not difficult, it is very simple. You just need to understand time. What is tense? First question: what is tense? Tense tells us about time. Time means when something happens, it can happen in the past, it can happen now, or it can happen in the future. That's it. Tense is only about time. There are three main types of tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. Now let's understand each one very slowly. 1. Present tense. Present tense means something is happening now. Example: I eat mango. That means I eat mango regularly. Another example: she plays football. Simple rule: if the subject is he, she, it, we add s or s in the verb. For example, he plays, she eats, it runs. But with I, you, we, they, we do not add s. I play, you eat, they run. Simple, right? 2. Past tense. Past tense means something happened before. Example: I played cricket. We usually add ed in the verb. Play becomes played. Work becomes worked. Jump becomes jumped. But listen carefully. Some verbs are different. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Come becomes came. You have to remember these. 3. Future tense. Future tense means something will happen later. We use will. Example: I will go to school. She will eat mango. They will play cricket. Very easy. Just remember: will plus verb first form. Quick revision: present means now. Past means before. Future means later. That's it. If you understand time, you understand tense. So today we learned what is tense and three types of tense: present, past, future. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.